Hello and welcome to another episode of SE Custom Designs. I want to thank you for coming into my wood shop. We're working on the COVID-19 desk, and so we're now at the stage of the project where we're going to make the drawers. I have oak stock that I have all cut out and ready to go. I've already given this a few passes now. I'm going to do my final passes, and if you don't have a planer, then you're really missing out on a tremendous tool that really cleans up stock really fast. And particularly with oak, you'll know that it takes a lot of sanding, and you go through a lot of sandpaper to smooth that down. But in addition, the planer is going to get your stock to the thickness that you would like to have it. And in this case, with the drawers, I'm bringing it down from the standard size that you get from the lumber store, and bringing it down to a thinner stock here. So we're going to go ahead and run these through. It's 54 degrees in my wood shop at the moment, and this is the first time I've ever had an issue like this. But as I'm feeding the stock through, it's not going all the way through. I have to push with the other piece. It does seem the more I run it, and as it warms up, that it is working more efficiently, but we'll see what happens. You know how it goes with live episodes. All right, that went a little better, but as you can see, some of them were sticking a little bit. I forgot to mention that I am running this unit. It has two speeds. It has finishing, which is 179 cuts per inch, versus I think it says dimensioning, 96 cuts per inch. Yes, and FYI, when you're turning this knob to go from one speed to another, the machine has to be running, actually. So there you go. All right, that was a rather short episode, but we're trying to keep these in the series nice and quick. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our stock over to, you can't really see it. Well, let me try to lift you up here very carefully. We're going to go ahead and go to the dovetail jig. Oh, you can see it. The Lee D4 dovetail jig. And we're going to go ahead and make through dovetails. All right. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. Just know that we have hundreds of videos on a variety of subjects. Please go ahead and search in my channel for tool reviews and all kinds of techniques and different projects. Thanks again. All right, let's stay safe out there in this COVID season. Wear your masks.